Now next an important topic of this chapter, matrices. Inverse of matrix of order 3 by 3 by elementary operations. It is very important topic for board examination, and to find the inverse of matrix, first which matrices are said to be invertible matrices. If a square matrix of order m by m given and there exists another square matrix B of order m by m such that AB equal to BA equal to I. I means identity matrix of the same order. Then you can say A inverse equal to B or B inverse equal to A, or both are inverse of each other. You have to use this rule. Next, elementary operations. First, we can interchange any two rows of square matrix, means R1 R2 interchange, or you can interchange R1 R3 or R3 R1 as per requirement of question. Second, you can multiply by any non-zero number in any row or in any column and denoted by Ri replaced by Kri. Third, the addition of elements of any row, the corresponding elements of any other row multiplied by any non-zero number means Ri replaced by Ri plus Krg. You can say R1 replaced by R1 plus Kr2, R2 replaced by R2 plus Kr1. Similarly, you can apply this property as per requirement of solution of question. Now, let a square matrix is given of order 3 by 3. There are 9 elements. Identity matrix written here. Step first, you write matrix A as I into A. Since I is the multiplicative identity, therefore I into A equal to A. Then use elementary operations. A equal to I written, then using elementary operations, convert it as I equal to BA. It implies in place of A, you have to write, convert it as I, and I becomes B. Then you can say A inverse equal to B, because BA equal to I means both are inverse of each other, means A inverse equal to B. The steps which you have to follow to find the inverse. Step first, A1121, using any property, any row operations, your first objective to convert A11 means first element as 1. Then second step, convert remaining two elements of first column as 0. Because condition you know, to whatever matrix A given, you have to convert it as I. But a proper step is required to convert it as I. In first step, convert it as 1. Second step, remaining two elements of first row, convert as 0. But remember the property which you have to apply to convert. First, R2 replaced by R2 plus or minus as per requirement of KR1 means R2 have to write 0 with the help of first row, and R3 also here write 0 with the help of first element. Then next step, A22 as 1. These elements of second row, second column, you have to convert as 1 using any one of these suitable properties or operations. Step 4, remaining element of second column right edge 0 are convert to 0 with the help of R2. Then step 3, A33 convert to 1 using property R3 replaced by KR3. And last step, step 6, remaining element of third column convert to 0 with the help of R3. Now with the help of example, I want to explain these 6 steps and observe and note down very carefully all these 6 steps. Matrix A, as example I have taken as 2 0 minus 1 5 1 2 0 1 3, and identity matrix written as 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0. Step first, when you are solving, write down A equal to IA, and then by elementary operation you have to convert it as I equal to BA. So first step, note down A equal to IA. Matrix A written here 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3 equal to identity matrix written 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and here A as it is written. Don't put the value of A here. A equal to IA, put the value of A written here. Put the value of identity matrix written and A as it is note down here. And now follow the steps. So I hope up to here steps are clear. Step first, if any question is given, note down in the form of A equal to IA. Now next, step first. Your first objective to convert A11 as 1. Since it is the first step or starting step, you are free to apply any row operation to convert it as 1. There are different options. If you multiply by 1 by 2 in first row, you will get 1 here. But if you multiply by 1 by 2 to here 1 0 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 0 0 in first row. But in next steps you will face problem, because fraction if you introduce, then addition, subtraction, some difficulty will be there. Therefore select another method. Second option, if you R1 R2 interchange, what you will get? If you interchange R1 R2 in place of R1, interchange R1 R2 means in both matrices you have to change R1 R2. In place of R1 first row, write down second row, means 5 1 0, second row written as first row, and first row written as second row 2 0 minus 1. Similarly here, first row written as second row and second row written as first row, and then R1 replaced by R1 minus 2 R2. 5 minus 2 into 2 means 5 minus 4. Easily you will get 1. Apply operation. Then second row as a part of multiply by 2 and subtract from first row. Multiply by 2 means 2 2 is 4 and 5 minus 4 1 written here. 0 into 2 0, 1 minus 0 1. Then 0 minus 2 into minus 1, 0 plus 2 2. Similarly here 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 0 1, and 0 minus 2 into 0 0. R1 replaced by R1 minus 2 R2, it implies there is change in R1 only. R2 and R3 remains same, no change. So whenever you apply any operation, remember this, if written R1 replaced by R1 minus R2 means there is change in R1 only. It implies step first R2 and R3 as it is you can write here. No change. Then R1 apply the property and convert it. Your first task completed here. You are getting first element as 1. That is step first completed. Now in next step, you have to write remaining element of first column 0 with the help of 1. So here if you want to write 0 with the help of 1, so you can write 2 minus 1 into 2 equal to 0. It implies in first row if you multiply by 2 and subtract from second row, you will get 0 here. The next step, as from previous slide I have written this 1 1 2. You have to convert it as 0. So R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 R1. It implies there is change in R2 only. R1 and R3 remains same. R1 first note down. Whatever in question given R1 means 112 minus 210. 112 minus 210 written. R3 no change. R3 written here. Now in R2 minus 2 R1, convert the remaining two elements of first column 0 with the help of R1. Since third element is already 0 written, therefore no requirement to apply property here. Here R2 replaced by R2 minus 2 R1. So 2 minus 2 into 1 equal to 0. Minus 2 minus R2 minus 2 into R1 means 0 minus 2 minus 2 written. Similarly here again apply minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 5. Minus 5 is here. Similarly remaining elements of second row written using this property. Step second completed, and in first and second step your one task over means first column is getting means first element 1 and remaining two elements 0. Now next task in second column, here you have to write as 1 second element. Now next step, to write 1 here, one option if you multiply by minus 1 by 2 you will get 1, but fraction will introduce. Therefore to avoid fraction you have to think and apply any other method. Therefore R2 replaced by R2 plus 3 R3 minus 2 plus 3 into 1. You will get 1 here. One thing remember, you can ask, we can write here R2 replaced by R2 plus 3 R1 also you will get 1 here. But don't apply this property here because 0 will change here. Therefore written here KR2 replaced by KR2, otherwise second property which you can apply KR2 replaced by R2 plus R minus NR3. R2 minus NR3 or R2 plus NR3. So 1 you are getting here. Remaining first row and third row no change as it is written. Now remaining element calculate. R2 minus 3 R3 minus 5 plus 9 4. Again 5 plus 3 into 0 5 written here. Minus 2 plus 3 into 0 minus 2. 0 plus 3 into 1 3. And step 3 completed means 1 you are getting here. Now next step, remaining two elements you write as 0. Remaining two elements 0 with the help of 1. With the help of 1 means with the help of R2. That's very easy. You can write R1 replaced by R1 minus R2. You will get 0 here. and R3 replaced by R3 minus R2, again you will get 0 here. So note down, R1 replaced by R1 minus R2 and R3 replaced by R3 minus R2. It implies R2 no change, R2 note down as it is. R1 minus R2, to 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 5, minus 7. 1 minus 2, 3. 0 minus 3, minus 3. Similarly, R3 minus R2, 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 0 minus 5, minus 5. 0 minus 2, plus 2. And 1 minus 3, minus 2 written. Step 4 completed. And here second column, 0, 1, 0. Now third column, next task. In third column, next step, just observe. In this place you have to write as 1. In third row, if you multiply by minus 1, easily you will get 1 here. Apply this property. R3 replaced by minus 1 into R3. First row, second row, no change as it is written. And in third row, multiply by minus 1. This fifth step completed. Now sixth and last step. Remaining two elements of write 0 with the help of 1. With the help of 1 means with the help of R3. Now in this step, you have to convert remaining two elements of third column 0 with the help of R3. Apply property. R1 replaced by R1 plus 2R3 and R2 replaced by R2 minus 4R3. R1 plus 2R3. Just apply minus 2 plus 2 into 1, 0. And similarly apply remaining. We will get 3 minus 1 and 1. Now change R2 replaced by R2 minus 4R3. R2 minus 4R3 we will get here minus 15. Then in place of minus 2, 6. In place of 3, minus 5. Then we can write this as I equal to BA or A inverse equal to B. In this pattern, after solving, you are getting inverse of given matrix. One more example. Find the inverse of matrix by elementary operations. First, write down given matrix A and identity matrix I. Note as A equal to IA. In place of A, write down given matrix I as it is and A note down here. Then, first element we can write 1. You have two options. We can write R1 replaced by R1 minus 2R2 or R1 minus R3. Easy. Here R1 replaced by R1 minus R3. If you subtract R3 from R1, you will get here 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Then next step, remaining two elements of first column have to write 0 with the help of R1. Note down as R2 replaced by R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, and R3 replaced by R3 minus 2R1. You will get 0 here. R2 minus R1 apply. You will get elements of R2 as 0, 1, 1, and here minus 1, 1 and 1. R3 replaced by R3 minus 2R1. Elements of third row you will get 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0 and 3. Then next step we have to write A22 as 1, which already present here. Then fourth step, remaining two elements of second column as 0 to 1, 0 already present here. 2 you have to convert as 0. We can write R3 replaced by R3 minus 2R2 and you will get 0 here. Now next task, in third column, third element you have to write as 1, which are already present here. Then remaining elements 0 with the help of R3. So you can write R1 replaced by R1 minus R3 and R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. Elements of R1 you will get 1 0 0, 1 2 minus 2, and second row 0 1 0 minus 1 3 0. Here after solving we are getting I equal to BA form, which implies A inverse equal to B, or A inverse equal to 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 and 0 minus 2 1. In this pattern you are getting inverse of given matrix. Now some questions for practice. 3 questions given here. First question, find the inverse of matrix 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 3 1 minus 3 2 3. Similarly second and third. Answer of these questions is also I have written here, so that you can verify the answer and check the answer whatever you are solving it is correct or not.